Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an Archie Rollover Block. Now, really important that you know how to do an Archie Rollover already, because we're not going to be teaching how to do that bit again. We're just going to teach you how to turn it into the block variation. And the block variation looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If you don't know the original version, don't worry, there is a link in the description below. So, what are we actually doing? Starts off exactly the same as usual. So we go back, we're putting the hand down to the right as we're coming in back to back, we're taking the hand over the top. The big difference, guys, is we need to get our elbow tucked in behind the lady's elbow, so as we come round, instead of setting ourselves up to push the lady away, we don't give the lady a push, we block the back of the elbow, so we get to here, and then we can push that elbow, guy's right elbow, through to change the lady's direction. We take that left hand back over the top, undo what we did, and there's even a little bit of a nudge to start a lady moving away, ready for a travelling return at the end. So let's think about that with numbers. We go back 1, down to the right 2, over the top 3, making sure you get that elbow in behind the lady's arm. Make sure you don't dig it into the lady, just block behind the arm. We come round into the block, push through, round and face, over the top and back. So let's do that again. This time I'll do numbers all the way through. We're going to go back 1, down to the side 2, over the top 3, blocking 4, bouncing back 5, facing 6, returning 7 and back 8. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, a 6, a roll over, a block. We go a back, down, over, bouncing, back and look, through, and you're done. Hope you've enjoyed that. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end on the final screen, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.